What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to embark upon a profound journey into the captivating world of castor oil and its extraordinary array of health benefits. Prepare to be immersed in the intricate details of not just 10, but 13 awe-inspiring reasons why castor oil deserves a prime spot in your health regime. I'm here to guide you through every detail, so grab your pen and paper and get ready to have your mind blown. You see, castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant. With a history spanning centuries, it has been used for various purposes due to its innumerable health, beauty, and industrial benefits. Today I'm going to delve into 13 health benefits in detail, explaining exactly how and why castor oil works its magic. The first health benefit is glowing skin and nails. Castor oil's ability to bestow a radiant glow upon your skin is nothing short of a miracle. The fatty acids within it, called racinic acid, penetrates deeply to nourish and hydrate the skin from within. This moisture-locking elixir creates a natural barrier, guarding your skin against the harsh assault of environmental stressors. The result is skin that feels plump, soft, and protected. As if that weren't enough, castor oil lends its magic to your nails as well. It steps in as a fortifying agent, promoting healthy nail growth and preventing unsightly splits and breaks. The combined effect is skin that radiates with health and nails that demand attention with their newfound strength and beauty. Benefit number 2, natural constipation relief. Navigating the discomfort of constipation can feel like a battle, but castor oil enters the arena as a formidable ally. The unsung hero here is the racinic acid, which takes center stage with its ability to stimulate and contract the muscles in the intestines. As these contractions occur, a gentle wave of movement is triggered, facilitating regularity. However, while castor oil is a reliable solution, using it judiciously is essential. Overuse can lead to a watery outcome that's anything but desirable, so balance is the key. Health benefit number 3, easing joint discomfort. For those familiar with joint discomfort, castor oil emerges as a soothing balm, offering relief that transcends the surface. Its remarkable feature is its ability to penetrate deep into the tissues, addressing inflammation at its source. This ability to infiltrate provides a sensation of comfort that radiates outward. But castor oil's ability extends even further. Enter the omega-3 fatty acids, nature's inflammation warriors. These fatty acids exhibit an anti-inflammatory property, providing a dual-action approach to easing joint discomfort. Beyond that, castor oil's capacity to enhance circulation adds another layer of healing, delivering nutrients to nourish the joints and hastening the recovery process. It's a comprehensive solution for those seeking relief from joint challenges. Health benefit number 4, menstrual cramp ally. Ladies, rejoice, for castor oil brings a touch of enchantment to your monthly struggles with menstrual cramps. The anti-inflammatory prowess of castor oil is like a gentle massage, easing the discomfort that often accompanies this time. A simple application to the lower abdomen sets off a cascade of soothing sensation. But here's where the magic truly happens. Castor oil's ability to enhance blood flow to the pelvic region. This increases circulation, not only aids in pain relief, but also promotes faster healing. It's safe, it's a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain medications, and it grants you comfort while not compromising your well-being. Health benefit number 5, healing fungus woes. Fungus infections can be a pesky affair, but castor oil steps in as your reliable guardian against these unwelcome intruders. Armed with potential antifungal properties, castor oil takes on challenges like ringworms and athlete's feet with unwavering determination. Its secret weapon is the acetic acid. It disrupts the fungal growth, limiting their ability to thrive. but the benefits extend beyond inhabitation. Castor oil also provides soothing relief to itching and inflammation, offering a comprehensive solution for those grappling with fungal skin issues. Benefit number 6, soothing eye irritations. Your eyes, the windows of your soul, deserve special care, and castor oil is here to provide just that. Imagine the soothing touch of a single drop of castor oil on a dry and irritated eye. This elixir acts as a natural lubricant, alleviating discomfort and revitalizing your ocular well-being. But the story doesn't end there. Castor oil's benefits extend to addressing eye infections like conjunctivitis. Its dual action prowess as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent makes it a contender for maintaining optimal eye health. As you venture into the realm of eye care, remember that seeking guidance from an eye specialist is essential. Health benefit number 7, hair loss prevention. The quest for thicker hair, more luxurious hair, is a universal desire, and castor oil steps up as a formidable ally. Its mechanism of action involves enhancing circulation to the hair follicles, which in turn promotes a conducive environment for hair growth. But castor oil's magic isn't confined to the surface. It ventures deeper, nourishing the scalp to encourage healthy hair from the roots. The result is hair that's not just thicker, but also more vibrant and resistant to breakage. Health benefit number 8, promoting hair thickness. Thicker hair isn't just a dream with castor oil, it can be a reality. Enriched with nutrients like omega-6s and omega-9 fatty acids, castor oil lends a luxurious touch to your hair care routine. These fatty acids work in harmony to strengthen your hair strands, minimizing breakage and ensuring that your hair remains lush and voluminous. It's as if your hair receives a pampering session every time you use castor oil. Health benefit number 9, bidding adieu to dandruff. That's right, dandruff can cast a shadow on your confidence, but castor oil comes to rescue, dispelling those unwelcome flakes with its antibacterial prowess. See, castor oil's antibacterial properties act as a shield, combating the bacteria responsible for dandruff formation. By providing a clean and balanced environment, castor oil gives you the gift of a flake-free scalp and newfound confidence. Coming in at benefit number 10, the acne fighting warrior. Acne, the bane of many, meets its match in castor oil's antimicrobial abilities. You see, castor oil's multifaceted approach begins with its cleansing action, sweeping away impurities that clog your pores. Its antimicrobial action takes center stage, targeting acne-causing bacteria and thwarting their growth. And here's the magic. All of this achieved without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Castor oil emerges as a steadfast ally in your quest for clearer, healthier skin. Benefit number 11, natural laxative powerhouse. For those seeking release from the discomfort of constipation, castor oil's natural laxative properties offer a gentle yet effective solution. The hero of this tale is the racinical acid, which stimulates muscle contractions in the intestines, ushering in the movement and regularity. The beauty of castor oil lies in its ability to provide a solution without resorting to harsh alternatives. However, a note of caution: moderation is essential to prevent an overactive response. Health benefit number 12, wound healing wonder. Wounds, whether big or small, deserves optimal care for swift healing, and castor oil steps in as a natural wonder in this realm. Its combined anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial powers create an environment conducive to healing. You see, inflammation is reduced, reducing discomfort, while the antimicrobial properties keep infections at bay. Castor oil's role extends beyond superficial healing. It promotes tissue repair, making it a valuable asset in your wound care toolkit. And finally, benefit number 13, immunity booster. But the enhancing tale of castor oil's benefit doesn't conclude here. Emerging studies suggest that castor oil may play a role in giving your immune system a subtle boost. This magical oil is believed to stimulate the production of certain immune cells, contributing to heightened defense against pathogens that threaten your well-being. In summary, castor oil provides a wealth of natural health and beauty benefits, from your skin to your hair care to relieving constipation and joint pain. Castor oil lives up to its century-old reputation. This versatile, affordable oil should be in everyone's natural wellness toolkit. And there you have it, 13 ways that castor oil can benefit your health, beauty, and hygiene. Let me know in the comments which remedy you are excited to try. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our natural health hacks. Thanks for watching.